Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with WeChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video we'll be doing 3D origami fish model. So without further delay, let's check it out. So guys, for this origami fish, we'll be using multiple colors. So first, let's start with the blue color. So let's start making it like this. So first you have this. You keep this in this direction like this, leaving one hole, the inner hole. So if you hold it like this, the bottom hole you leave it aside and you put in the top hole. So the one cone of this you put it in the top hole, and one hole, the bottom hole, you leave it aside. Similarly, you do it in the opposite way like this. So this is how it grows, like this. So you have one, it became two, then it becomes 3, 4, 5, and this is how it grows. Okay, now we'll use another color, let's say blue. So this is a layer fish. So this goes like this, and then again similarly you do it on this side. Press it like this. Oops. And then just like this. This is how it forms. This is how it looks actually, the final model in the inverted direction. So we'll be continuously adding different colors. Let me use this color. Corner pieces you can flatten it first and then keep it like this. Next we'll pick, say, green. Like this. Let me use another pieces for the corners. Yeah, so one green like this, and then another green like this. Now we'll again use one more color, say yellow. These type of models should be glued properly, otherwise it will be scattered all over. You can see the pieces are coming out because there is, oops, I'm so sorry, let me just remove this piece. Use this proper one, because the pieces will come out, and you need to adjust it all the time. It's better to glue it and finish the model. This is how it looks. Now we'll add the fins basically. So let's use this blue. So here you just add it 2 pieces like this, and then you add 2 pieces on this side like this, and then you have this one piece, so again you put it like this. Now we add one more color, say this put one here, and one like this. Similarly, put one here, and one like this. Now let's use one more color, say this pink. So now you put it like this. Then you can leave this last fin like this. Oh, sorry. So goes here, one here, one here. You can leave these corners. Next, we'll put, say, this pink. You can again leave the corner flap. Give me 1 sec. Yeah. So similarly, we put it on this side, and we converge it at this point. So we'll add it like this. Let me just pick few pieces, and then this will be added like this corner. Then I'll put a similar corner like this here. Put it inside and like this, and then we'll use another color, say blue. Here one more, and the final color, say green. We'll put it like this. So this is how it converges at this point. Similarly, we use a blue, and then we converge it with a green. Like this. This is how the body of the fish looks like. Now we'll make a tail. So for the tail, again we repeat the same thing. So to start with one, say black, add 2 yellow pieces, so like this. In similar fashion, you need to do it. And let's add these blue pieces. So for tail, you don't need so many layers. It will be just 4 layers. So it will be a small tail like this. Then at the end, let's add this pink piece. You can leave this like this. Oops. Better to glue these so that it stays like this. And then you glue this portion, or you can even pinch it at that point where you can add it like this actually. Yeah, just one sec. Yeah, like this. And then you can insert it in this. Yeah, oops, let me add this portion again. Yeah, so this is how our final fish model looks like. It's a very simple model, easy to make, and looks really good. You can show it this way, also you can show it in the yeah, in this fashion. Yeah, this is how a fish looks like. So guys, that was a colorful and beautiful fish. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you all back in my next video. Take care, guys.